need to actually go through because the contract is going to spell out all the rules and the laws of your state. The fourth thing that you want to do is you want to get your contract ready. Okay, so your contract is like, obviously, it's like the most important thing for your software. So you want to either join the self-storage association in your state. So like the Florida Self-Storage Association, or you want to do the Tennessee Self-Storage Association, whatever it is, and get that contract. Once you join that self-storage association, you can get the contract for free. And then every state has their own different contract. Okay. And so then you get the contract and you just use that contract is what you can do. Okay. And then what you do is you're going to hand the contract over to like whatever software that you choose, and they're going to import that contract into your software, and they're going to set all the fields up. Okay, they're going to set in like the name and the address and the phone number and the email and like all your fees that you're going to have and anything else that goes on the contract, so that they can electronically sign it. So typically what you'll do is you'll hand that over to the property management software, and then they will implement that and put that in that's part of their onboarding process to get it set up for you. Okay. Or you can hire an attorney. So there are several attorneys in the industry that they just like all they do is have like contracts for every single one of the states or some states, whatever states they work in, and they're specifically for storage facilities. Okay, so if you want to do that, you'll get like a specific contract for your state from an attorney. Whereas if you go to the SSA, like your state SSA, you're going to get like, maybe a generic contract or something like this. So if there's like some nuances or things that you want to add, then you may just want to go to an attorney and hire somebody. Say, look, I need to get that contract for like Tennessee, but I need to add this, and this because mine is a little bit different or whatever. Now you want to make sure that when you get the contract that you read it. You need to read your contract, right? You need to actually go through it because the contract is going to spell out all the rules and the laws of your state. So the auction process, those rules and laws of your state are written into the contract. So you want to make sure that you understand it. And every state has a different process for auction process. All the rules and regulations of your fees. All the regulations of your fees are in the contract. So for instance, the state of Georgia, it's like as of day one, if you don't pay on day one, then you're considered late and you could charge a fee. Whereas like in Tennessee, I think it's like 6 days or something like this or whatever. So like you want to make sure that you read that contract because that contract is going to tell you what kind of fees you can charge for certain types of events that happen throughout the month if tenants don't pay and stuff like this. Okay, your auction process, your fees, and then your insurance, right? Like the type of insurance that the tenant should have, depending on the state, is all written in your contract. If it's not in your contract, then you want to add an addendum for that. Right. So there's like a lot of things that you have to set this contract up so that you are being protected as the owner of your property. Okay. So that's really the main thing. So contract. And then you're going to hand that over to your property management software, whichever one that you picked, and they will import it, create the field so that it becomes an electronic document that the tenants can sign.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.